Hi everyone! Nag-harvest kami ng aming coconut. So gagawa tayo ng salad. Aduy! Marami kaming na-harvest. Ito masi already old. Pop in this one. So this one. So tatlong bulig siya lahat. Okay guys, thank you for watching ang aking tanim. Linisan natin. Good afternoon everyone. My beautiful plants. Thank you for watching guys.